In this video, we're going to show you how to install hood lift supports on your INFINITI G37 X located underneath the hood. And once you open the hood, you're going to locate a hood lift support on the driver's side as well as one on the passenger side. You want to make sure that you can go ahead and support the hood properly, whether you use a prop rod or you have a friend hold it for you. You want to go ahead and make sure that the hood doesn't bonk you in the head once you remove this. Now we're going to start with a pocket screwdriver. On the back side, there's going to be a metal clip, a retaining clip, and come in underneath, and you're going to undo the clip, basically prying that out. Once you have that clip pulled out, you should be able to push the lift support off of the ball stud here, just like so. I want to repeat the same process for the bottom. Once you have that off, go ahead and grab the new component. Now the clips are already installed on these here, so all you have to do is line it up with the ball stud. Make sure that these are clean and free of any rust or anything like that. If you want, you can put a light coating of grease on that. Line this up and simply push it on. You're going to feel it and hear it snap into place. Do the same for the other end. You can see this is not lining up properly. So you're simply going to raise the hood, line that up, and pull it on. Give it a little wiggle. Repeat this process for the passenger side. Once you've done that, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.